Can the Osmo Pocket be the only camera used to start a YouTube channel? Let's find out in 3 minutes or less. Now looking at that footage in intro, you probably thought, wow, he overexposed that shot, and that was on purpose. One of the things that bothers me about this thing is that there's no ND filter. I get it, most cameras don't come with an ND filter, but this thing overexposes so bad that sometimes you can't even follow that, double your frame rate rule that you do use when you film video. Check this out, let me walk into the sun really quick. This is shot at 60 frames per second, so 1/120, and it's still, you see how overexposed it is? And I have an ND filter on there. So that's my number one gripe with this camera. Now let's move on to the second one. One big positive about the DJI Osmo Pocket is obviously the gimbal. But not only that, it has actually pretty good quality of footage, and it now can be graded due to the latest firmware update. But it also has slow motion. I'll compare two slow motions, the Fuji X-T3 and this one. You'll see they're actually pretty comparable. So the next two things that bug me about this kind of go hand in hand. That's why I'm filming it together. One is the no external microphone jack, which means any kind of audio hits from all over the place. Now that, on top of the fact that it's a narrow field of view, means in order for you to get a wider angle on this, you have to hold it out, but then you're lacking in the audio because it doesn't pick it up as much, or it picks some more background noise. So I think that really is a big letdown. Back to another good positive of the camera is that built-in motion time-lapse. That feature's pretty cool. I'm using it quite a bit actually. Now back to the question I posed at the beginning of this video. Do I think the Osmo Pocket can be your only camera to start a YouTube channel? I would have to say no. Given the narrow field of view and the built-in audio, that's kind of one of the most deal breakers for this. But I do think this has a place alongside your other camera. This is the perfect B-roll camera, perfect travel camera. And you guys see the footage is really good, very stable. It follows you around. This is supposed to be just a short, quick video. But if you do have questions about the specs or you want me to go in more detail about the Osmo Pocket in general, leave a comment below.